But anyway, this looks like an enormous fire pit at first glance. Look how old that tree is. Now, hard to believe that was ever really a fire pit. What is it for, I wonder? Huh. Alright. They wouldn't, no one would go to the trouble of building something like this for no reason, right? There must be a reason somebody made this. Look how solid it is. It's got a good solid foundation. This rock here is really beautiful. Look how heavy this rock would be. Can two people lift this thing? No, I don't think so. 4 people, maybe. That's one heavy ass rock. And there's other big ones. Gosh, it's mysterious. I guess either the aliens must have done it. Well, yeah, aliens must have made it. I don't know who made it. It must be aliens. Oh. Interesting. I'm almost surprised, very surprised, that there's no sign of anyone having camped here. Certainly signs someone's been here. Naturally. I mean, there's no fire pit at all. In a spot like this, there should be a fire pit. You know? Or some trash. Some past, you know, stealth camping. And look at all this whole barrier. All those sticks were put there deliberately, most of them. Maybe when all of them had leaves to, you know, create a blind. Because, you know, that's a big part of making this spot invisible to anyone on the White Trail. This is an awesome spot. Completely new to me. Amazing. There are... I'm such a dummy for just assuming that, you know, the lower foot parts of Sleeping Giant are boring. Necessarily boring. There's strong evidence that we really need to, you know, make sure we thoroughly explore the available trails on Sleeping Giant. And yeah, I think by this time next year I'll have covered like that mile 1 or whatever it is that starts down there near the Hartford Turnpike, the Blue Trail, and winds its way up to Sleeping Giant. And then there's that place where all those trails meet up there. Well, anyway. Temperature still pretty mild. Of course, I've got my fleece on. Oh, nice spot. There's another amazing flat spot down there. That's where those deer were. A nice place for deer to hang out. Wow. What an awesome spot that nobody ever comes to except for a couple people. Look at that. It's nice. If you were looking to be alone, which I was. I saw like I saw like tour buses, like 3 big buses in the main lot. So wow, I didn't know they bus tourists out here really at all, much less after the leaves are down. There's no color to see, that's for sure. I think this is the first hike I've been on that there's been no color. All the leaves are down, really. The last hike I was on was that 4th Naugatuck State Forest hike where I finally made it up to those cliffs I meant to get up to, supposedly. Even though we never really saw a big smooth part like we had seen from across the street. I don't think I want to be here. I don't know why I'm going here. I'm really trying to work my way back to the White Trail now. I think I have to come here. Probably covered with ticks now that I think of it. Interesting day. It's November, it's November 13th. It's Friday the 13th. Oh man, we better get out of here before it gets dark or something. So ends another Sleeping Giant hike. I've come down a little bit on the red circle here, and it's no longer windy at all. I can take my fleece off. I'm warm. A little too warm. Well, not a bad hike. Not a bad little day hike, as long as the Blair Witch doesn't get us. Friday the 13th of November. Gosh, what better time? Wait a minute. I just saw that tree a minute ago. How can that be? And we went down and around. What the? Or whatever. We're going down, I guess. We'll be down soon. But yeah, it gets a little creepy when it's like late in the day down here. So I'd like to be able to make some progress pretty. What the? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.